Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an Emini Trading Room recap for the 19th of September, Friday, and today was another great day in the markets. Yeah, we were down to a quarter point, but I think every day in the market is a great day in the markets. And, it's all about perspective. Do you get up in the morning? Do you hate getting up in the morning, or do you enjoy getting up in the morning? Do you like going to sleep, or do you hate going to sleep? Do you like going out to eat? Do you like eating whatever it is? It's all about perspective. How you feel about things. And, trading is one of those things. You really have to really enjoy it to stick with it, because, everything is kind of against you. So anyway, let's get in with the day, talk about what actually happened and what we did. Today we did make 3 trades. We were 2 for 1. Yeah, our first trade was right off the open. We got long up here. We did take profit. We did get short up here. Market rolled over, and we were able to take profits going into this area here. Market did jump up, came down, and we did take a short down here, and we did take a stop out on that. So it is what it is, and all we can really do as traders is to fight back and improve ourselves. So that's pretty much the day. That's what it was. And we only lost a quarter point or 1 tick. And it's one of those days where I guess the overlying lesson would be to keep risk as small as possible. We only lost a quarter point, which definitely doesn't help our P&L, but it doesn't hurt it a lot either. As long as when we do lose, we lose small. On the really good days where we make like 14 points or something like that, we're able to just add to our P&L. We're not in the whole 20 points or 30 points. So that's the underlying theme that I want to get across is, as long as you're keeping your risk small. I've seen people out there teach, let's risk 15 points to make 5 points, or risk 3 points to make a half a point. It's crazy, because you don't have to get stopped out that many times to ruin your P&L. The goal is to have your reward be more than your risk. Day trading, you can't always do that. Sometimes you do, your risk equals your reward, but for the most part, you want your reward to be more than what you're risking. And that's pretty much what trading's all about. That's much easier said than done, definitely. But that's pretty much what it's about. As long as your reward's more than your risk, you're good. You just have to figure out how to actually do that, how to make your reward better than your risk. And I guess make is a bad word to actually use, because a lot of traders, that's exactly what they do, is they make it. They do it themselves. They're, let's say hypothetically, I'm getting short right here. So I want to have my stop up here. Let's say you get short at actually, that's probably a bad example. Let's use this example over here. I'm getting long right here at the end of this bar. I'm getting long at 650. My stop's going to be below here, so it's at 2005.50, so I'm going to say 2005.25. And because I'm at 2006.50 and 2005.25 is my stop, I'm going to look for, let's just say 2009, because you're 2006.50 and you're adding, a point and a quarter to that. and then another point and a quarter. So that's 2.5 points. So that brings us to 2009. Well, you see price never gets to 2009. It kind of chops around here, and then it just comes lower. So maybe it stops you out. Maybe you move your stop up. Maybe you move your target down. There are many different ways to manage a trade. And with coaching clients, with the trading course, I go into very much a lot of detail in that. Managing your trades is very important, but it can get overwhelming, and there's a right way to manage your trade and a wrong way to manage your trade. There's definitely a wrong way to trade. And since, statistically 5% of people make it into the professional ranks of trading, might be even less than that. Most people do practice bad techniques. And once you create a bad habit, with trading, one bad habit is usually correlated with another bad habit, which is correlated with another bad habit. So it's a lot more difficult to change your habits than you think because of that. So anyway, I wanted to talk about that a little bit. Hopefully that made some sense to you. You got something out of it. With that, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.